Hey D&D sports fans, welcome back to the channel. And what I'm doing tonight is I want to give you a quick product update. If you remember or watch my videos, about 9 months ago I released a video of building this Jeep from a TRX-4 Proline body, and I ended up putting the Proline Denali rims, Bead-Loc rims, and BFGoodrich Krawlers on the front of the truck and on the back. But problem that I run into, as you can see right there, is all the screws ended up rusting. So I had reached out to Proline about getting some replacement screws, and I was pretty much told by Proline that they didn't have anything that wasn't going to rust. So I did some digging around, and I found on Traxxas' website part number 8167, which is stainless steel bead-loc, but they were not black, so they were only like a chrome color. So let me flip the truck around. I already did one side of the truck. This way you can see what they look like, and I can get your guys' opinion. All right, so there's the other side of the truck, and there is the 8167X stainless steel screws. If you see, there's 18 of them there. There's 18 on the back of each wheel. So each wheel takes 36 of them. I did this whole side, and I still have a little pile left. So I ended up counting them up. I ended up getting a total of 96 screws in the bag from Traxxas. They are a little pricey, being they're stainless. It is $15 for those. But for me, I think that look is well worth it instead of having the rusty screw look. So in the comments, let me know what you guys have come up with as a solution to rusty screws on your bead-locs, or if you have another place where you end up getting some stainless steel screws. I'm going to probably need 2 packs to do this truck. So I'm going to have like 30 bucks wrapped up into the stainless steel screws, just so that I can pretty much mask and cover up the rusty screws that came with the original Proline Denali rims. Alright guys, and this was a quick product update. If you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button, turn the bell on so you get notified anytime we release new videos, and thanks for watching.